1. Rising seas. For example, rising seas threaten many coastal cities. 2. Melting ice. For example, melting ice causes sea levels to rise. 3. Global warming. For example, global warming affects the entire planet. 4. Threaten. For example, pollution threatens marine life. 5. Cultural site. For example, Angkor. What is a famous cultural site? 6. Responsible. 4. For example, we are responsible for protecting the Earth. 7. Damage. For example, heavy rain caused damage to the temple walls. 8. Power. For example, solar power is a clean energy source. 9. Humid. For example, the air is very humid after the rain. 10. Vegetation. For example, the area is covered with dense vegetation. 11. Sandstone. For example, the ancient statues were made of sandstone. 12. Conservationist. For example, conservationists work to protect wildlife. 13. Preserve. For example, we must preserve our cultural heritage. 14. Giant. For example, the giant trees are hundreds of years old. 15. Worship. For example, people come here to worship the gods. 16. Authorities. For example, the authorities are investigating the case. 17. Mystical. For example, the mountain has a mystical atmosphere. 18. Survive. For example, some species may not survive climate change.